And we are live here at the Xcaret, and this is one of the one-bedroom rooms. Let's check it out here. I love this open plan. Checking out a slidable door here. That mirror is kind of cool. Cool sink. Great view. Bathroom. Closet. Got a stand-up shower. I like that. Has your safe. Bathroom. I like the tub. It's very nice. King-size bed. Some snacks here already. Some treats right there. I like that a lot. And a fantastic view. Let's check out the view. That's the main check-in area right over there. It's nice. Little hammock here. Very cool.